Hey y'all, so I caught myself craving jerk wings. So of course I got in the kitchen and made my jerk marinade from scratch. Now it was at this moment that I realized that this is either going to taste like sewer water or chef's kiss. I'm not a Jamaican, but I'm all about scratch cooking, so I'm winging it with these scotch bonnets and hope. Now, if this is a disaster, I'm totally blaming it on YouTube University and not my cooking skills. I need my Jamaicans to comment down below. How did I do? Rate me from 1 to 10. Did I use all the ingredients? Is there something that I should change? Ultimately, everyone in my household rated it at 9. Drop your feedback down below and let me know how I did.